You've probably heard about Proton VPN's free plan, right? It's kind of a legend in the privacy world, mostly because it's one of the very few that gives you unlimited data without making it you the product. So the real question we're tackling today is this. Is it actually worth shelling out your hard-earned cash for their paid Plus plan? Or is it totally unnecessary? And that really is the million-dollar question, isn't it? I mean, seriously, if you're getting the absolute core promise of a VPN, unlimited private browsing for $0, why on earth would you ever open your wallet? Well, that's exactly what we're going to figure out right now. Okay, so before we even start comparing features and price tags, we have to talk about what's the same across the board, because both the free and the paid plans are built on this exact same rock-solid foundation of privacy and security. Now, these aren't just marketing bullet points, they're promises. See, Proton is based in Switzerland, which is a huge deal. It means they're outside of US and EU jurisdiction, so they can't be legally forced to spy on their users. Their no logs policy, it isn't just a claim, it's been proven by independent auditors. And their apps are all open source, which means anyone, anywhere, can check the code to make sure it's secure. Whether you pay or not, this core protection is non-negotiable. Okay, so now that we know your core security is locked down no matter what, let's dive into the free experience. It's really generous, for sure, but yeah, as you're about to see, it comes with a few very specific catches. So what you're looking at here is a classic trade-off. On the one hand, you get that unlimited data and zero ads, which is fantastic for basic privacy on public Wi-Fi or getting around simple website blocks. But, and this is a big but, the experience is definitely limited. With servers in only 5 countries, things can get pretty crowded, which throttles your speed. And for a lot of people, here are the real deal breakers. You can't use it for streaming services, and it's a no-go for peer-to-peer file sharing, like torrenting. And that's where VPN Plus, the paid plan, comes into the picture. It's not just about adding a few extra features. It's literally designed to take every single one of those limitations from the free plan and just erase them. So first up, let's talk about access. You go from a tiny footprint of just 5 countries to over 120, with a network of more than 15,000 servers all over the globe. And look, this isn't just about collecting stamps on a map. It means you can always find a super fast, uncrowded server, and you can connect to pretty much any country you need to unlock region-specific content. Remember that medium speed on the free plan? Well, that gets blown out of the water by these high-speed 10 gigabit per second servers. When you combine that with their VPN accelerator technology, which can boost speeds by up to 400%, you move from a functional experience to a truly high-performance one. You're not just browsing anymore, you're flying. And remember how the free plan only lets you connect one single device? With Plus, that number jumps to 10. 10 simultaneous connections. This is a game changer. It means you can cover your laptop, your phone, your tablet, your smart TV, and still have enough left over for your family. Okay, this is where the premium experience really comes together. Those 2 huge roadblocks from the free plan, streaming and torrenting, are completely gone, solved with optimized servers. But then you get these incredible extras. You get NetShield, which blocks annoying ads and nasty trackers before they even get a chance to load. And for anyone who's super serious about privacy, there's Secure Core. This routes your traffic through extra hardened servers in countries like Switzerland, giving you another layer of armor against really sophisticated attacks. All right, but to give you the whole story, it's not all perfect. The Plus plan is powerful, no doubt, but it's really important we look at what actual long-term users are saying about some of the potential downsides. This quote from a user on Reddit kind of hits the nail on the head. Most people agree it's absolutely worth the money, especially if you can snag a good discount. But, no VPN is flawless. Some people do report occasional slowdowns, and because some banks and services are really aggressive about blocking VPNs, you might find certain apps just won't work while you're connected. That's a reality for most VPNs, and Proton is no exception. Okay, let's put everything side by side. This is where the choice should become crystal clear. We're going to compare the free plan and the VPN Plus plan across all the key features we've been talking about. Let's just walk right through this. Data limit? Both are unlimited, a huge win for Proton. But then the differences just stack up. Speed goes from medium to high. Servers explode from 5 countries to over 120. Device connections jump from 1 to 10. And then you see the clear no turn into a big yes for streaming, torrenting, and the ad blocker. Both share fantastic core security, but the Plus plan adds that extra secure core layer. This table, yeah, it tells the whole story. So here's the bottom line. This isn't about which plan is better in a vacuum. It's about which plan is better for you. Let's break down who each plan is really built for.
So just think for a second about how you use the internet. If you just want a safety net for your laptop at a coffee shop or need to access a blocked news site, then honestly, the free plan is one of the best out there. It does the basics flawlessly. But the moment your needs expand to streaming international Netflix, securely downloading large files, or covering your whole digital household, the Plus plan stops being a nice-to-have and starts feeling like a necessity.
So there you have it. We've laid out the facts, the features, and the trade-offs. The decision really comes down to what you demand from your internet connection. Is it basic, essential privacy? Or is it unrestricted, high-speed access to everything the web has to offer? Your answer will tell you exactly which plan is right for you. We break down every option A versus option B scenario by comparing practical features against creative solutions. Our mission is to provide clarity, helping you save time and money. Subscribe to Choice Compass and transform every difficult dilemma into a clear, confident choice. See you next time.